This is an example of the application of the angle addition postulate to solve a problem involving algebra. In this example, we are given that the measure of angle YMC equals 170 degrees. We are also given some algebraic representation of the smaller compositional angles, and we need to find the measure of angle AMC. So, I know that the measure of angle YMC, which is the larger angle here, is 170 degrees. I know that in the algebraic representation that the measure of angle YMA is 5x plus 19, and I know that the measure of angle AMC is 5x plus 1. I know that my job in the end is to find the measure of angle AMC. So I want to record what I know. I know the measure of angle YMA equals 5x plus 19. I know that the measure of angle AMC equals 5x plus 1, and I know that the measure of angle YMC is given as 170 degrees. So I've recorded what I know. Now I'm going to use my angle addition postulate. So my angle addition postulate states that if I have a larger angle, YMC, and a ray from the vertex forming a new angle between, that the two smaller angles, YMA plus AMC, the measures of those two angles will add to be equal to the measure of the larger angle YMC. So I represent it. Measure of angle YMA plus the measure of angle AMC will equal the measure of angle YMC. So now I replace with what I know algebraically. I know that YMA, measure of angle YMA, is represented algebraically as 5x plus 19. I like to substitute inside parentheses as it makes it a little bit easier for me to see what's going in where. I'm going to substitute AMC is 5x plus 1. Putting that inside parentheses as well. And I know that the measure of angle YMC was given as 170 degrees. So this is now an algebraic equation. I can ignore everything else. I don't need the parentheses here. They do not make a difference whether I have them or not. And then I will continue and solve this algebraic equation. So next step, combine like terms. So I know that 5x is a like term with 5x. They're both values of x. 5x plus 5x is 10x. I also know that 19 and 1, they're both constants. They are like terms. 19 plus 1 is 20. So I have 10x plus 20 on the left side of my equation. I still have it all equal to 170. This is now a two-step equation I solve by reversing the order of operations. The last order of operation is adding and subtracting. It's the first thing to go. I see an addition. I reverse it with subtraction. I'm subtracting 20 from both sides. So 170 minus 20 is 150. 10x can come down untouched because we have not done anything with it yet. That leaves me with my last step here. Divide both sides by 10 because the 10 is multiplying x. I get to cancel out. X equals 15. So as 150 divided by 10 is 15. So, awesome. I have finished that part of my job. However, this is not what the problem was asking me to do. The problem was not asking me to stop at finding the value of x. It needs me to find the measure of AMC. So I'm going to use this value to solve for what the measure of AMC is numerically. So this is where me writing down what AMC is helpful. Measure of angle AMC is 5x plus 1. I'm replacing x with 15 because I know that that's what I found. So when we're using the algebra, you got to solve for x and then use it to find the indicated measure. So 5 times 15 is 75. And 75 plus 1 is 76. So my final answer, the measure of angle AMC, the question asked initially, being posed by our problem, measure of angle AMC is 76 degrees. And at this point, I could also then find the measure of angle YMA, which is 5 times 15, 75, plus 19, which would be 94. And 94 plus 76 is 170, so that would work out too. However, since the problem only asks me to find the measure of AMC, we will end at finding the measure of AMC. So this is our example of using the angle addition postulate in order to solve an algebraic equation.